In today's training, I will show you how to get started using my.cat.com to view your SOS Fluid results. To access my.cat.com, enter the URL my.cat.com. That's my.cat.com and press enter. You'll be brought to a sign-in page where you can enter your username or password. If you do not have a username or password, you can register for an account by clicking the register button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be asked to enter your name, pick a username, password, provide email, phone, and other contact information about yourself, and select a dealer. The dealer will then be notified of your request for an account and will send you an email when your account is ready. If you forget your username or password, there are also shortcuts on the sign-in page to recover those. Once you've entered your username and password, simply click Sign In, and the application will open. You are now directed to the overview page of my.cat.com. For quick access to your SOS results, navigate to the bottom left corner, Quick Links section, and click on SOS Application. A second tab will open, showing you the SOS Web. Please note that you can return to my.cat.com by simply clicking the first tab and back to SOS Web by clicking on the second tab. In SOS Web, there are 6 main pages: the dashboard, the fleet page, samples, submit, reports, and preferences. Additional information on how to use these pages will be provided in future training sessions. Please note that in order for SOS Web to operate successfully, it is important that you frequently clear your cache. We suggest that when you first sign up for the application, you set up your browser to automatically clean your history or clear your cache each time you exit the browsing window. You can do this very simply by clicking in Chrome, by clicking on the 3 dots in the upper right corner and choosing Settings. A tab will open, scroll to the bottom, and click on Advanced. Continue to scroll, and you'll see a section where it says Clear Browsing Data. If you click on that, you would select to clear browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached image files. It is not necessary for you to clear passwords, AutoForm Dealer, content settings, hosted app data, or any of your media license. Simply click the first 4, select the time range of all time, and click Clear Data. Additionally, if you click on Content Settings, you can set up your browser so that it will automatically clear each time you log out. To do this, simply click on Cookies and activate the button that says Keep Local Data only until you quit your browser, for this button here. Once you do that, close your browser, reopen the application, and you should be ready to go. My.cat.com and SOS Web can also be accessed from Internet Explorer. In Internet Explorer, the steps to clear your browser and set up your browser for future sessions is a little bit different. Again, you click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. You click on Internet Options. Here you're brought to a general security page. You will want to check Delete Browsing History on Exit. You will also want to click on the Delete button. Again, you want to check Temporary Internet Files, Cookies and Website Data, History, and Download History. You do not need to collect form data, passwords, or tracking protection. Please note it is very important that you uncheck the first box, which preserves favorites for your website data. If this is not unchecked, your cookies and your history will not be cleared for SOS Web, and it may not work correctly. Once you're done, click Delete. The browser will clear your history and notify you at the bottom of the screen when it has completed. Once it has completed, simply click Apply and OK to make those changes permanent. In Microsoft Edge, you once again click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. go to Settings, and here you'll see right on the first page, Clear Browsing Data. Click on the button that says Choose What to Do. Check Browsing History, Cookies and Saved Website Data, Cache Data and Files, and Download History. Once again, you do not need to select Form Data, Passwords, or any of the other options. Click Clear, and it will clear your data. To make it clear each time you close your browser, simply toggle this button to On, where it says Always Clear This when I close the browser. Once you've done that, you are all set. It is not necessary to clear your browser each time you log in, as long as you have followed the directions I provided where you set it up to close each time you close the browser. It will happen automatically, and you will be always getting the most current information. This ends our training session on how to get started with SOS Web and My.cat.com. Thank you for your time.